Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back out here again with the 9204E by PXToys. We're going to do a couple speed runs with the car on 2S, the supplied 2S battery, as well as a 3S Lipo battery. It's about 100 degrees out, 100% humidity, so we're going to make this one quick. We're back at our normal spot. We got some loose dirt behind me here, and we're going to see what we can get for speeds and some cool footage, so stick around. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and throw in a fresh 2S Lipo. This is the one that came with it. Okay, so our Mion M3 GPS is zeroed out, and we'll give this thing a couple runs. Now, the steering servo on this is pretty weak. You kind of have to finagle it. That's full speed. Whoop. Jeez. See if we can trim that up a bit. Now, I don't know if it's just my car or what, but this seems very slow for stock. That's full speed. We'll bring it back. Alright, so we have 14.5 miles an hour. I think the box said about 40 kilometers an hour, which comes out to, I think, 25 miles an hour. So we're 10 miles an hour slower than what it predicted on Amazon. Yeah, this steering servo is all over the place. I mean, it's not bad. Once you get on some loose dirt, you can kind of spin it. I'm hoping 3S will liven this thing up a bit. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw a 3S battery in here. I'm going to link all of the products we use in this video down below. Get some of that crap out of here. And we're going to be running this Ovonic 2200 milliamp hour 50C discharge Dean's connector Lipo 3S. And since it doesn't fit in here perfectly, kind of just going to wrap some tape around here and see if we can make it work. Okay, so we have our 3S battery in there. Mion M3 GPS is zeroed out, and we'll give this thing a run. This thing's definitely quicker now. Oh yeah. That's way better. That's pretty quick. That's probably closer to the advertised speed of 25 miles an hour. Let's check out. Yep. Alright, so we got 22.2 miles an hour on 3S. Give it one more run, see if we can beat it. Wow. Alright, that's full throttle for a pretty long time. We're going to beat it. That's going to be it. Yeah, so 22 miles an hour top speed on 3S, which isn't bad. You know, get yourself a $20 battery and up your speeds about 8 miles an hour. So we'll run this out on 3S, see if we can get some cool shots. It's definitely a lot more fun on 3S. So not a bad little car for 130 bucks. You can get on Amazon and have it at your house within a couple days. Or if you want, you can buy it through Banggood and wait, 2 months or so and, save a couple extra dollars. So I'm going to leave both links down below. If you have any other questions about this car, leave them down below as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.